Hello guys, how are you? This is Hinza here. Today we have one more guest of the teams at event. Please introduce yourself and about your project.
Okay. So the project name is TV Asahi TV Asahi Blockchain Games. So this one is I'm to the IP holder and game developer. So this is the kind of platform and platform to incubate the IP and game character on blockchain's game. Yes. So this is overview of this project.
Okay. So as I'm based in Japan, everyone know about the TVS.
Yes.
So how now you are going to be the Web3 industry? I have a question for you. That this is the biggest Japanese media.
Yes, that's
so
right.
the game is directly connected to the media only, or it is different games?
This is also we have both choice. So as you say, so we have use our own traditional media power, and also we have many new connection, and we think about different way.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, that's great. So if the people want to be contact you, so how they can be contact you?
We appreciate the contact. So also today I would like to communicate with other one, and if also you can contact our homepage. So this press release is just opened yesterday. So this is new information. So maybe
Alright.
almost people don't know about it.
Alright.
So please, if you have any interest, we would like to take a contact. Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
Thank you so much for
Yes.
your time, and
Yes.
we will be keep in touch.
Yes. Thank you
Thank
very
you
much.
so much.
Yes.